I was seconds away from paying for WeryAI. Then I found something that made me stop. Funny enough, it wasn't a bug. It was something nobody had mentioned in the reviews I watched. On the surface, WeryAI looks like another AI tool that promises to save you hours every week. You type what you need, it generates the work, and you're done. At least that's the marketing. So I decided not to baby it. I gave it actual work. A landing page, a few marketing emails, and content ideas for a client project. If it couldn't handle real tasks, there wasn't much point testing anything else. The first results came back faster than I expected. Some of them were genuinely useful. Not perfect, but good enough that I wasn't starting from scratch. That's already better than a lot of AI tools I've tried. But here's where things changed. The more specific my instructions became, the better WeryAI performed. Short prompts gave average results. Detailed prompts completely changed the output. That's something most people never talk about. Then I ran into a limitation. When I asked it to handle a more complicated workflow, it struggled to keep everything consistent. It wasn't a deal breaker, but it reminded me that AI still needs a human paying attention. What surprised me most wasn't a flashy feature, it was how much time I saved on repetitive work. Instead of spending an hour getting a rough draft together, I spent that hour improving ideas that were already on the page. Now, if you're comparing WeryAI with ChatGPT, Claude, or other AI assistants, don't expect one tool to dominate every category. They all have strengths. WeryAI just happens to fit certain workflows better than others. The pricing feels fair if you're using it for business every day. If you're only experimenting, I'd start with the free plan before spending anything. So, what does nobody tell you before buying WeryAI? It's not a magic button. The value comes from how you use it. Give it clear instructions and it can save you serious time. Give it vague prompts and you'll probably wonder what all the hype was about. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.